Hey there, chess enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your online experiences smoother. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to change your email on chess.com in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons, switching accounts, or just fixing a typo, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your chess.com account. If you're not, head over to the website or app and enter your current credentials. Once you're in, look for the user icon or profile picture in the top right corner. That's your gateway to settings. Click on it and select Account Settings or Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Email or Contact Information section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current email address displayed. Click on the Edit or Change button next to it. A prompt will appear asking for your new email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the new email, chess.com might send a verification code to that address. Check your inbox and spam folder, just in case, for an email from chess.com. Once you get it, enter the verification code on the site to confirm the change. This step is crucial for security, so don't skip it. Once verified, your email should update instantly. Double-check by logging out and back in, or by revisiting your settings. If you run into any issues, like the change not going through, make sure your new email isn't already associated with another account, and try clearing your browser cache. And there you have it. That's how you change your email on chess.com in 2025. It's a quick process that keeps your account secure and up to date. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming and tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and keep those chess games sharp. See you in the next video.